Here the ezimoon plan, so we need to get plan here. Just like a demo, like that, and get code. So let the store name, like that. So we get the verification code and register. When you click and register, it's automatically redirect to checkout page. And our subscription plan amount, we get a discount here. Just click coupon code here. I automatically applied the discount code, but we recurring total will be renewed this month. So now is 00 for subscription plan. It automatically generate invoice to seller and then get paid from seller. So this is the concept. I don't know how you want, but this working with that. If sign up, that automatically get that discount for 1 year or 1 month, 1 day.